is Seojung Ryu, or Kate, and I am from BIS Hanoi in year 12. Yeah, I did get many supports from the teachers when they described what the subject courses will have, and they really helped me in finding my own interests. I chose economics, Spanish, and computer science. For my preparation, I used many strategies that my teachers and friends have shared with me. For one of them was Pomodoro technique. I think everybody is now familiar with that technique, and it really supported me a lot when I was feeling unmotivated. One of the hardest challenge I've met was managing with my expectations, my own expectations, because I aimed for a high goal. I had many failures a lot, and when I met up with my own weaknesses, I felt really anxious about not being able to meet my own expectation. Yeah, I did get many advices from the teachers. They often held sessions for us where we can focus on our relaxing away from the academic pressure, and it really helped me a lot trying to stay on the line and not getting overworking myself. The technique I mentioned, the Pomodoro technique, I think it is really good for your time management and also organizing your priorities into a timetable. I use that strategy as well to organize my things to do. Well, time management is the most important thing, I think, the skills that I learned in IGCSE. And it also taught me a lot that I didn't even know about myself. For example, my interests and weaknesses. So I think I can infer from that experience to improve my grades further on IBDP course as well. Of course, because I chose sciences, 2 sciences HL and 1 math HL. The foundation in IGCSE really will support me in learning deep, because foundation is really important for any subjects. Well, I would say don't give up, even if you feel like giving up. There will always be an end, and it will finish sooner than you will expect.